Head gaskets on the 2013 Equinox. Removing head on the 2013 Equinox. You see I already started. Taking off the breather and all the parts and all whatnot. This is the top cover. It covered up the motor. It make it seem like it's hard to do, but it's not. So, these are your core pack bolts. You take the bolts out of there. You got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I remove the 4. Then once you remove the 4, you take them out one by one. Popping. That's 4 core packs. Okay. Try to remove this line. Let's see. Come on. I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, but I'm doing a head gasket on a 2013 Equinox. If you had this truck and you had head gasket problems, follow my channel and I'll show you how to complete that. It's not hard. Alright, get back with you guys. Now, we back. You know, got the both sides of the top valve covers. As you see, it's loosey. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Hold on, I gotta pull this on up. Let's see. Come on. Okay, removing that top valve cover gasket. The valve cover and the valve cover gasket both. And the heads is right here, up under here. Is your heads. And you see, you gotta do the time and reset it over again. This is the top of your heads. You gotta take the bolts out of your head bolts right here. Wait, your head bolts, the big ones right there. That one, all the way around. Then you gotta reset. You gotta reset the timing once you're going back with it. So it's like both the timing and the heads resetting. I still got a couple more things to move, a lot more. But it's nothing to me. That's how you gotta look at it, like it's nothing. It's with anything, you gotta look at it like it's nothing. Because when you look at something like it's something, that's what make it hard. You have to believe. Yep, so I'll get back with you guys to show you the next part. Thank you.